Welcome to Futuristic Parenting, where tomorrow's parenting begins today. Today, we're asking a bold question: is coding the new literacy? And if so, when should your child start learning it? Whether you're a techie parent or completely non-technical, this video will unpack why coding is becoming as fundamental as reading, and how early is too early. Let's start with a hard truth. The digital world is no longer an option, it's the environment our children are growing up in. Just like reading and writing gave us access to books, stories, and ideas, coding gives access to the digital architecture of the modern world. Coding is not just about becoming a software developer. It's about understanding the rules of the world they're going to live in. Without it, our kids become users, not creators. Think about it: apps, websites, smart toys, robots, all run on code. In fact, the World Economic Forum has ranked programming and computational thinking as key 21st century skills alongside critical thinking and emotional intelligence. In the same way we teach reading not so kids become authors, but so they can think, coding helps children understand systems, logic, and problem solving. When should kids start learning to code? So when's the right time to start? Research shows that age 5 to 7 is a sweet spot for introducing coding concepts, but not through syntax-heavy languages. Kids at this age are naturally curious, imaginative, and great at pattern recognition. The key is using age-appropriate tools. For ages 5 to 7, visual platforms like Scratch Junior, Codable, or Lightbot introduce coding logic through games. Ages 8 to 10, they can graduate to block-based coding like Scratch or Tinker. By age 10 plus, you can begin to introduce Python, HTML/CSS, or robotics with platforms like Arduino or Microbit. Importantly, coding doesn't have to be taught in isolation, it can be blended into storytelling, math puzzles, even music. But what if my child isn't interested? This is where parents get nervous. What if my child isn't interested in computers? Totally fair. But here's the trick: make coding relevant. If your child grows up understanding how systems work, from apps to algorithms, they'll be less likely to be manipulated, more likely to innovate, and empowered to question the systems around them. Does your child like drawing? Try coding an animated story. As early as they can think logically and love to play. Start with simple tools, follow their curiosity, and remember, coding isn't just for tech geniuses, it's for every future citizen. Into Minecraft? Introduce redstone logic or modding. Love robots? Use drag-and-drop coding to build a robot that dances. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights from Futuristic Parenting, where tomorrow's parenting begins today. Coding is just a medium. Just like writing can be used for poems or essays, coding can express games, stories, or ideas. Future-proofing your child here is the real reason to teach your child coding. It's not about a job in tech, it's about agency in a digital world. By 2030, most careers will involve interacting with AI, automation, or data systems. Even non-tech careers will require digital fluency. That's the real power: coding as a form of digital self-defense, creativity, and control. So, when should your child start coding? Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, share it with another parent who's unsure where to begin.